artificial intelligence use in our daily life. AI is increasingly being integrated into our daily lives, from smartphones to home appliances to cars. AI-powered personal assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa are widely used to perform various tasks like setting reminders, making phone calls, sending messages, and providing directions. AI is being used in healthcare to improve diagnosis accuracy, predict disease outbreaks, and develop personalized treatment plans. AI-powered chatbots are also being used to provide basic medical advice and triage patients. AI-enabled smart home devices like smart thermostats, smart lights, and smart locks can be controlled remotely using voice commands, mobile apps, or automated schedules. This allows us to manage our home appliances more easily and efficiently. AI-powered entertainment platforms like Netflix and Spotify use machine learning algorithms to personalize recommendations based on our viewing and listening history. This makes it easier to find movies, TV shows, and music that we are likely to enjoy. AI is being used in self-driving cars to detect and avoid obstacles, control speed, and make decisions based on traffic conditions. This technology is making driving safer and more efficient. AI is used in e-commerce to personalize product recommendations, optimize pricing, and detect fraud. This helps online retailers to provide a better shopping experience for customers and reduce losses due to fraud. Overall, AI is helping us to save time, increase productivity, and make our lives more convenient by automating routine tasks and providing personalized experiences.